Hello to the world! Welcome back sa aming channel. At today, hindi po tayo magmumukbang. Tayo po ay mag-harvest ng mga hitik na bunga sa punuan. Joke lang, sa punuan. Sa lupa. So, mag-harvest po tayo ng mga produce para sa paghanda po sa winter. What are you doing, babe?
I'm trying to take some of the sand out of the big bucket, put it in here so we can fit beets in here. So and then put the sand back in again.
Magpe-preserve din kami ng mga beets.
Oh, look at that!
Ang daming geese.
And south for the winter.
So, si Daddy Daryl mag-explain kung saan yung mga geese.
I'm not a goose expert by any means, but they fly south for the winter because they don't like it when it's cold.
Yeah.
So they fly south and then they come back here.
Where is south anyway? In US?
Yeah, US somewhere. I don't know exactly how far south they go, but
yeah,
they go where it's warm.
Yeah, sa US.
And then they come back again in the spring.
Sa US for sure. Sa California, mas warm doon.
Migration. The Great Migration.
Yeah. So mga loves, let's start digging.
I'll grab the fork.
Patatas, digging.
Patatas?
Yeah, digging vegetables mga loves. So let's start.
Potatoes. This might look like a dead potato plant, but it's not. Well, the top of the plant is dead, but the potatoes underneath are not.
Yeah, buhay pa ang patatas.
Potatoes can handle freezing a little bit or get late into the season, really. Oh. This is good because they are small. We're gonna cook them. Those are perfect for our own cooking.
Yeah. Yeah, and I love small potatoes.
Well, these ones are nice too. They're not very scabby, so they're nice.
It's perfect.
Oops.
Let's put it there for now.
Oh, there's a couple of good sized ones.
Oh, there's one more in here too. They're good potato, my love. I like them. They're perfect.
Yeah, I actually like these red ones. I might do these again.
Yeah.
These are called red Pontiacs.
Yeah.
Is the breed, if you want to call them a breed, brand. What do you call them? I don't know. There's a name for it.
Because I'm home and I'm not working anymore, I will cook it every day for you.
Oh, really?
Every day, I'm just kidding.
Look at that. Lots of good potatoes on that plant.
Not every day.
Not every day? Why not?
Because it will make us fat.
Potatoes will make us fat?
Yeah. You know that my dad said that he wants to eat potato with his meal?
He should.
Yeah. But I said, Dad, it's carbo. He thought it's carbo. Yeah. Oh, that's.
Put them further over because there's another plant right there.
For sure, there's more in here.
There's another plant right there, so.
It smells good, you know.
Oh, I love digging in the dirt. The smell of fresh dirt is. Oh, there's the potato! Just kidding. That's just a tiny one. There's the potato we're looking for.
Good job, Daddy.
That's just a small plant. Only be one potato.
Oh,
there's a couple more.
One potato produces lots. Huh, babe?
Yep.
Yes! Hi! Alicia!
Winker winker.
Ito siguro yung pinakamalaki.
Big plant looks good. How many are you thinking? We should take bets on how many potatoes there is.
Maybe there are 10 pieces.
10?
Let's see.
11 pieces.
11 pieces. Oh, mine is 10. So, let's see. Oh.
1.
Oh.
2.
Ang dami.
3.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Only the decent sized ones.
Okay.
Not the ones that are like...
8, 9.
Oh, no.
8, 9. 10. Oh, there's more. 11.
Oh, that one's all busted. Look at that.
Yeah.
It grew all cracked. You'll still eat it though.
12. We are wrong.
We're both wrong.
In here, maybe there's more in here. In here too. Because this is from
that might be from the next plant too.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Holy!
Pumasok si Daddy Daryl sa bahay kasi may sugat yung kamay niya at nagdudugo. Kaya tayo na lang muna ang magbungkal. Let's bungkal. Sana maraming grasya itong isa. Ayan. So far, yaan lang. Mas prefer ko itong maliliit kasi mas masarap kaysa malalaki. So, tapon natin muna dyan. Baka may mga naiwan pa. Bungkalin natin. Ay! Natusok ng ating ano, oh, sayang.
How come that never happens when I was shooting geese? They're always like friggin' everywhere except for where I want them to shoot them. No,
natusok. May tumatawag pa kay Daddy Daryl.
I don't know. I haven't for quite a few years, but I would like to do it again sometime. I haven't done it for a while.
Ay, parang... Ay! Sabi na nga eh. Ay, sus! Natusok ulit. Oh, sayang.
We're harvesting potatoes as we speak. We're trying to dig up our garden as we speak right
Yeah.
now. But,
Separate natin yung mga na ano na natamaan ng pala.
Well, if you have too many, let me know. My wife wouldn't mind cooking them, I'm sure. But whatever. Like don't put yourself out if you want some geese. You keep them. Maybe you did. But yeah, no. Okay. Well, yeah. If you need a certain partner,
Hindi ako marunong. It's Daddy's turn. Dami ng patatas. Ang saya-saya lang mag-harvest talaga. It's
harvest time.
Harvest time. So ito yung pang French fries talaga. Oh, ang laki oh. Sa vlog natin, sa mukbang vlog natin, let's make a patatas French fries. Babe, you should make us a You should make us You should make us French fries.
Heck yeah, we'll make French fries one night for sure.
Yeah, okay.
That'd be fun.
Patata, harvest time. Ito talaga yung nai-enjoy ko dito sa Canada, yung mag-harvest time. Na-enjoy naman ako dito, kaso lang, mas na-enjoy talaga ako pag harvest time na kasi ang daming ani. Kasi magsa-snow na, di ba? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Holy cow! We hit the mother lode. Look at that.
Mamma mia!
It's like gold mine in here. Look at the size of them things.
Oh, nagdidig kami ng gold. Ang daming gold.
What did we do to grow potatoes that big?
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome.
There's another huge one.
Oh, wow. This is the biggest. Yeah.
They're huge.
Ang laki talaga ng patatas. Pang ano na yan, oh. Yan ang pang French fries talaga. Yan ang pinakamalaking patatas.
Those will make some good French fries, old ones.
Yeah, save that for French fries, babe.
Ole. I'm impressed. Grandpa would be impressed.
Yeah, you are a good farmer, babe.
Grandpa was a potato farmer.
Good farmer. Dami na. Ang dami.
You can hear the coyotes. Oh, there's one more hiding in there.
Dami pa. There's more in there, babe. Just keep on digging. Please. See, I told you. Ay, naku, ano lang talaga, nakaka-happy. Kasi ang dami. Yeah, baby. Mommy is so happy.
What are we gonna find?
Ooh. Oh.
Patatas.
Look. Oh, look po mga loves. Oh.
That's how they grow, on the roots.
Ah, ang dami. That's a healthy patatas, babe.
Healthy plant.
Yep.
We did something right.
Mm.
Other than a smidgy scabby on a few of them, but I mean, that don't
it's
hurt the
fine,
potato. You
yeah.
can still eat them.
Ayan na, ilalagay na natin sa storage room.
Ow, thistle on that one. Poke me in the finger.
Okay.
Tinker.
How about the socks? Socks coming? Up.
That's quite a bit of potatoes for just a few plants.
Yep.
Those other ones could stay in the ground for another week at least or more.
Yeah.
They would get bigger yet.
That's good. I'm happy with the potatoes.
They're doing well.
Yeah.
Me too. Hi, Finger.
Ilalagay lang natin dito ang ating mga produce. For now, ang dami nating patatas.